Hey there, podcast listeners. Ever feel like you're stuck in a conversational loop, repeating the same basic questions and answers day in and day out?
Oh, you mean like the whole "how are you? I'm good, how are you?" routine? Yeah, it's practically a social reflex at this point.
Exactly. But I was thinking, what if we really broke down those everyday exchanges? Like the "can I ask you something?" or "do you have a pet?" kind of stuff. Stripping them down to their essence.
That's an interesting idea. It's like dissecting the building blocks of human interaction.
Totally. So, where do we even begin?
Well, a classic opener is "can I ask you something?" It's polite, it sets the stage, but let's be real, sometimes the answer is a big fat "not now, I'm busy."
Haha, the universal conversation killer. But on the flip side, sometimes you get that sweet sure go ahead. It's like the green light to dive into whatever's on your mind.
Okay, another common one. "Are you from here?" It's such a go-to when you meet someone new.
Definitely. And the answers are always interesting, right? You either get a "yep, born and raised," or a "nope, I'm actually from." Cue the whole backstory.
It's like a mini geography lesson waiting to happen.
Let's talk about time-sensitive queries. What time does the bus arrive? Is something most people have asked at some point in their lives.
Oh, the stress of waiting for public transport. And the answers can range from "sorry, I have no idea," which is never helpful, to a glorious "it arrives in 10 minutes," which is just enough to keep hope alive.
Right? Or the dreaded, "is this a safe place?" That's a question born out of genuine concern.
Yeah, that's when you're relying on someone else's gut feeling. Hopefully they say "yes, this place is pretty safe," and not "no, run for your life."
And then you have the ever-present, "can you help me?" It's a plea we've all made and hopefully been able to answer.
The beauty of that question is in its vulnerability. You're admitting you need assistance. And the response? Either a "sorry, I'm busy right now," which stings, or a heartwarming "of course, how can I help?"
Let's switch gears to language. Do you speak English? Is a basic necessity when you're traveling or meeting someone from another country.
True, and the response dictates everything that follows. Not very well means you need to simplify your sentences. Yes, I speak it well means you can dive right in.
Health check time. Are you tired? A simple question, but sometimes it opens the floodgates.
Oh, definitely. "No, I'm fine" is usually the polite answer, even if you're secretly running on fumes. But sometimes you get that honest "yes, a little bit," and you can finally admit you need a nap.
Okay, gotta address basic needs. Is there a restroom nearby? A universal question, especially when you're in a new place.
The answer is either a vague "I'm not sure," which is basically useless, or the blessed "yes, just around the corner." Instant relief.
Personal space alert. Is this seat taken? A crucial inquiry before you plop down anywhere.
You either get the awkward "yes, someone is sitting here," or the welcoming "no, you can sit here." It's a social gamble every time.
Pre-departure check. Are you ready to go? The question that determines if you're leaving now or in 5 more minutes.
Right? "Not yet, give me a minute" is the stall tactic. "Yes, I'm ready" means it's time to hit the road.
Moving on to preferences. Do you like this movie? A harmless question, unless you hate the movie.
"Yes, I really enjoy it" is the easy out. "Not really, it's not my type" requires a bit more finesse.
Weather report incoming. Is it going to rain today? The question that dictates your outfit and your mood.
"I don't think so" is a cautious optimism. "Yes, it's supposed to rain later" is a call to grab your umbrella.
Taste bud test. Is the food spicy? An essential question for anyone with a sensitive palate.
"Yes, it's very spicy" is a warning label. "No, it's not spicy at all" is a green light for mildness.
Newbie detector. Is this your first time here? A way to gauge someone's experience in a particular place.
"No, I've been here before" means they might be able to offer some advice. "Yes, it is" means they're probably feeling a little lost.
Creature comfort check. Do you have any pets? A window into someone's home life.
"No, I don't have any" is straightforward. "Yes, I have a cat" means you're about to see a whole album of pictures.
Business hours. Is the shop open now? A simple question, but it can save you a wasted trip.
"No, it's closed" is a bummer. "Yes, it's open" is an invitation to spend some money.
Caffeine craving. Do you want some coffee? A classic offer of hospitality.
No thanks is polite. Yes, please is the start of a beautiful friendship.
Office supply request. Can I borrow your pen? A frequent request in any workplace or classroom.
Sorry, I need it is a little selfish but understandable. Sure, here you go, is the mark of a generous soul.
Lost and found. Is this your phone? A question of honesty and potential relief.
No, it's not mine means you have to keep searching. Yes, that's mine is a sigh of relief.
Passion probe. Do you like music? A broad question that can lead to a wide-ranging conversation.
Not that much is a conversation stopper. Yes, I love music is an invitation to share your favorite bands.
Well-being check. Are you feeling okay? A question of concern and potential support.
Not really, I feel sick is a cry for help. Yes, I'm feeling good is a reassuring response.
Skills assessment. Can you drive? A practical question with implications for road trips and carpools.
No, I can't drive means you're not the designated driver. Yes, I can drive means responsibility awaits.
Proximity check. Is your house far from here? A question of convenience and potential travel time.
Yes, it's quite far is a logistical challenge. No, it's nearby is a sigh of relief.
Social invitation. Do you want to join us? An offer of companionship and potential fun.
No. Maybe next time is a polite decline. Yes, that sounds fun is an embrace of spontaneity.
Confidence gauge. Are you feeling confident today? A question about mindset and self-assurance.
No, I feel a bit nervous is an admission of vulnerability. Yes, I feel very confident is an assertion of strength.
Patience test. Are you a patient person? A question of temperament and tolerance.
No, I get frustrated easily is brutal honesty. Yes, I'm very patient is a claim that may or may not be true.
Goal orientation. Are you ambitious? A question about drive and aspirations.
Not so much is contentment with the present. Yes, I have big goals is a declaration of future intent.
Intellectual curiosity. Are you curious about space? A question that explores someone's sense of wonder.
Not particularly is a down-to-earth perspective. Yes, space fascinates me is a gateway to cosmic discussions.
Collaboration preference. Are you a team player? A question about work style and social dynamics.
No, I prefer working alone is a statement of independence. Yes, I like collaborating with others is a promise of cooperation.
Social style. Are you an introvert? A question about personality and social energy.
No, I'm quite outgoing is a denial of shyness. Yes, I prefer quiet and alone time is an embrace of solitude.
Outlook on life. Are you an optimist? A question about perspective and hope.
No, I'm more of a realist is a grounded viewpoint. Yes, I always look on the bright side is a burst of sunshine.
Daily routine. Are you a morning person? A question about personal rhythms and peak performance times.
Not at all. I wake up late is a confession of nocturnal tendencies. Yes, I love waking up early is an embrace of the dawn.
Travel experience. Have you ever traveled abroad? A question about global perspective and cultural exposure.
No, I've never left the country is a desire for future adventure. Yes, I've been to several countries is a trove of travel stories.
Entertainment habits. Have you seen this movie? A question about shared cultural experiences.
No, not yet is a potential recommendation. Yes, I saw it last week is an invitation to discuss plot points.
Task completion. Have you finished your homework? A question of responsibility and deadlines.
Not yet is procrastination in action. Yes, I just finished it is a feeling of accomplishment.
Culinary adventure. Have you ever tried sushi? A question about adventurous eating and culinary boundaries.
No, I'm afraid to try it is a cautious aversion. Yes, I love sushi is an enthusiastic endorsement.
Family connection. Have you called your mom today? A gentle reminder of familial obligations.
Not yet, I'll call her later is a promise to connect. Yes, we talked this morning is a heartwarming connection.
Live music experience. Have you ever been to a concert? A question about shared musical memories.
No, I've never had the chance is a wish for future experiences. Yes, it was amazing is a nostalgic recollection.
Possession awareness. Have you lost your keys? A question of potential crisis and frantic searching.
I think I might have is a moment of panic. No, they're right here is a wave of relief.
Celebrity encounter. Have you ever met a celebrity? A question of fame and fortune encounters.
No, I haven't is a common reality. Yes, I met one at the airport is a rare and exciting story.
Literary experience. Have you read this book before? A question about shared reading experiences.
No, this is my first time is a potential reading recommendation. Yes, I've read it twice is an invitation to discuss the book's themes.
Adventurous activity. Have you ever ridden a horse? A question about outdoor experiences and animal interactions.
No, but I want to try is an aspiration for future adventure. Yes, it was fun is a recommendation for a memorable activity.
Sleep quality check. Did you sleep well last night? A question of well-being and rest.
No, I couldn't sleep at all is a cry for sympathy. Yes, I slept like a baby is a satisfying answer.
Social attendance. Did you go to the party? A question about social engagement and share experiences.
No, I stayed home is a preference for solitude. Yes, it was fun is a recollection of a social gathering.
Meal intake. Did you eat breakfast? A question about basic sustenance and morning routines.
Not yet is an indication of hunger to come. Yes, I had eggs and toast is a description of a morning meal.
Project status. Did you finish the project? A question about work progress and deadlines.
No, I'm still working on it is an indication of ongoing effort. Yes, I submitted it already is a sense of relief.
Communication habits. Did you call your friend? A reminder of social connections and communication.
No, I forgot is a confession of forgetfulness. Yes, we talked for an hour is a description of a social interaction.
Understanding level. Did you understand the lesson? A question of comprehension and knowledge acquisition.
Not really is an admission of confusion. Yes, it was clear is a sign of understanding.
Sports viewing. Did you watch the game last night? A question about shared sporting events.
No, I missed it is a lack of participation. Yes, it was exciting is a description of a sporting event.
Household chores. Did you clean your room? A question of domestic responsibility and organization.
No, not yet is procrastination. Yes, it's spotless now is a sense of satisfaction.
Ticket purchase. Did you buy the tickets? A question of planning and event attendance.
No, they were sold out is a disappointment. Yes, I bought them online is a sense of preparation.
Travel assessment. Did you enjoy the trip? A question about travel experience and satisfaction.
Not much. It was tiring is a negative review. Yes, I had a great time is a positive endorsement.
Okay, I think we've thoroughly dissected the conversational basics.
Definitely. It's amazing how much can be revealed in these simple exchanges.
Right? And how often we go through these motions without really thinking about them.
So next time you're asked, "How are you?" maybe you'll think twice before just saying good.
Exactly. Time to inject some real conversation into our everyday interactions.
Until next time, keep those conversations flowing.